Hi, this is Russian with Albina, and this lesson is for beginners because in this lesson we are learning genders in Russian. So in the Russian language we have masculine, feminine, and neuter. Three genders: masculine, feminine, neuter. To determine the gender of a noun, we need to draw attention to the ending, that is, to the last letter of a noun. So just look at the last letter of the word. If it's consonant or the last letter is y, this is masculine. If it is a or ya, this is feminine. If it is o or ye, it's neuter. But if the last letter is soft sign, it could be either feminine or masculine. There are very few exceptions to these rules, but there are 5 notable exceptions. This occurs mainly because of the physical gender. For example, the word papa. The last letter is a, so it should be feminine. But because of the physical gender, it's masculine. The next exceptions. Дядя, masculine. Дедушка, masculine. Мужчина, masculine. Кофе, masculine. So let's have a look at the examples of a masculine gender. For example, брат, брат. Документ, документ. Ребенок, ребенок. Feminine. Газета, газета. Книга, книга. Ручка, ручка. Neuter. Радио, радио. Здание, здание. Письмо, письмо. And now let's practice all these genders. I'll give you a list of words and your task is to define the gender. At the end of the video, I'll give you all the answers.
Человек. Машина. Телефон. Окно. Молоко. Россия. Солнце. Мужчина. Самолет. Англия. Море. Платье. Небо. Кресло. Птица. Золото. Здание. Женщина. Тетя. Франция. Весна.
That's it for today's class. Keep watching my next videos and увидимся в моих следующих видео. Пока-пока!